Hours after Chief Justice Martha Koome castigated the Acting Inspector General of Police, Gilbert Masengeli, and the National Police Service for withdrawing the security of Judge Lawrence Mugambi. Acting Inspector General of Police is denying advancing retaliatory gimmicks as alleged by the Judicial Service Commission.
Contrary to the allegation by the Judicial Service Commission, yesterday that the security details assigned to the Honorable Justice Mugambi has been thrown to intimidate the charge, we wish to clarify that allegations were ill-intended.
Speaking during a session with traffic officers, the acting IG claimed that the withdrawn officers were taken back for training on VIP protection.
Good morning, sir.
He argues that a new team was dispatched in place of the withdrawn ones.
In case of Honorable Justice Mugambi, the two security officers in question are general duty officers, and they were therefore recalled to attend VIP protection, security training, and also were replaced by two VIP protection officers from the Judicial Police Unit.
But the timings are raising eyebrows as the withdrawal came just hours after Judge Mugambi sentenced the acting IG to 6 months imprisonment.
The contemner, Mr. Gilbert Masengeli, is sentenced to 6 months imprisonment. Mr. Masengeli is ordered to submit himself to the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons to ensure that he is to be committed to a prison facility to commence serving sentence of the imprisonment imposed.
Still last week, Judge Lawrence Mugambi demanded that Police Commandant VIP Protection Unit Lazarus Opicho appear before the court to explain why he demanded through his security detail to know his whereabouts. They said police officers would be withdrawn over the weekend. Instead, the IG is laying claims of attempts to interfere with the independence of the police, which he claims can make changes at any given time.
The independent command and control of police is vested in the Inspector General. Other than the CS Interior that may give policy direction to the IG, no person may give direction to the IG with respect to the employment, assignment, promotion, suspension or dismissal of any member of the National Police Service in accordance with Article 245(4), Section C of the Constitution. Other than the President, the Deputy President, and the retired Presidents, no other Kenyans are entitled by the law to be provided with the personal security detail. Owing to the role of the judiciary, the National Police Service recently established the Judicial Police Unit purposely for protection of the judiciary and its officials.
Masengeli's action and that of the National Police has continued to withdraw wide condemnation, with Association of Judges who are speaking in Kisumu, led by their President Patrick Otieno, have termed the actions as clear threat and aimed at intimidating the judiciary and their independence.
We take this as an acceptable direct onslaught on the judge's office, an undisguised threat and intimidation to the judge as a consequence of his discharge of judicial duty. We see it as an onslaught on both the Constitution and the rule of law. It is an assault on the office of all judges in Kenya and the institution they serve. We see Inspector Riri as the face and instrument of this violation.
They have threatened to head to the courts while demanding an apology from the IG.
And now issue a notice that we shall take all legal measures, including moving the court to declare him unfit to hold a public office. We remind Inspector Riri that he, the officers he has withdrawn, and all his superiors, including the Inspector General, like all public and state officers, work for Kenyans and merely execute a delegated mandate from the people.
Masengeli has already filed an appeal on the ruling and is seeking to have the Court of Appeal suspend his conviction until the appeal is heard and determined. Martin Opio, K24 TV, Nairobi.